Welcome to the e-learning marketing system guided tour. The purpose of this short video presentation is to show you a revolutionary new program specifically designed to help every small business owner instantly generate more leads and make more money for their business. And for those of you who stay with us until the end, we will give you the ability to add a substantial amount of newfound profits to your business, guaranteed. Business owners today are in the fight of their lives. The global economy is in shambles. They have no additional revenue sources they can tap into for financial support during lean times. And perhaps worst of all, marketing and advertising just aren't working as well as they used to. In fact, for many small business owners, marketing isn't producing any results for them at all. And their financial situation is growing more desperate by the day. As a business owner or entrepreneur, if you are struggling right now to generate more leads and clients for your business and you need to find immediate ways to dramatically increase your business's bottom line revenue, then spend the next few minutes with us and we will show you how we can help you make all of these problems disappear forever. Small business owners today are desperate for proven and tested ways they can generate more leads, attract more clients and make more money. So, what if we told you that we can show you how to generate all the leads a business owner needs in order to completely dominate their market? What if we could prove to you right now that we can make any business owner dramatically make more revenue and profit and do it in just 30 to 90 days? Over the next few minutes, we are going to give you the backdoor access to an online marketing system that many of today's top marketing experts are calling the single most powerful client attraction program ever created. We have been developing this system for past 3 years and more than $1 million has been invested building the perfect online business marketing program. And best of all, we will show you how the two of us can partner together on this and help each other build lucrative online businesses. We have built several multi-million dollar online businesses over the past 10 years and we literally followed a simple step-by-step process every step of the way. We can help you to do the exact same thing. If you will commit to spending a couple of hours per week working on your business instead of in your business, then we can turn you into a lead generation, client attracting, revenue exploding marketing maverick. Now, I'm sure that at some time in the past you have joined online membership programs that promise to help you grow your business. Many of these offer excellent content and that's why you never got the results you hoped for. You see, we are the first to admit that the information on its own is totally worthless. It's the application of the information that produces results. Most program sites attempt to justify the fees they charge by offering you access to a ton of information, and the moment you gain access to it, you are immediately overwhelmed by the sheer volume that's available. You have no clue where to start, what to do, what will work for your business and what won't, or even how to best apply the content to your specific business to ensure you see actual measurable and lucrative results. This was a major consideration for us when we designed and built our e-learning marketing system. In fact, we looked at several major considerations that you as a small business owner need and demand today. A brief summary of these include a fast way to generate all the leads your businesses can handle, a proven and tested way for you to attract more clients, instant and immediate ways to generate more cash flow, instant access to the information you need to grow your business when you need it, confirmation that the information you select will successfully work for your business, guidance and support to help you successfully apply the information, and a proven way for your business to reach $1 million in total revenue and then continue to grow from there. These were the major concerns we wanted to address with our program, so we could forever remove them from the lives of small business owners we partner with. But there's one more thing we want to emphasize to you. Small business owners today simply want to know that what they are buying will actually produce results. In a nutshell, that means more money. So we feel we should prove our ability to make you more money upfront before we ask you to spend any of your hard-earned money with us. We believe it's our responsibility to prove to you from the very start that we are indeed the real deal by putting money directly into your pocket. You see, we weren't kidding earlier when we said we can make any small business owner substantially make more revenue and profit in just 30 to 90 days. We will make you that money before we ask you to spend a dime with us. So let's take you on a brief tour through our e-learning marketing system to give you a glimpse of what this system can do for you personally to help you build the business of your dreams. And then we will explain how we will give you the unprecedented opportunity to generate more revenue over the next several weeks. Let's start with the end in mind. Most business owners think of their businesses as a way to make money to feed their family. That's not a business, that's a job. A business should definitely feed your family, but more important, it should create the single most valuable asset in your life. If you presently own your home, didn't you buy it for more than just a place to live? Didn't a big part of your decision come from the knowledge that homes typically increase in value over the years? Yes, right now the economy has depressed home values, but that won't last for long. Typically, most people practically double the price they originally paid for their home when they finally sell it. For most people, their home is their most valuable asset. So, why should your business be any different? Do you realize that most businesses sell for 3 to 5 times their annual revenue? If you build $1 million business, you not only enjoy a lucrative income from the revenues your business generates, but that business can now be sold for $3 million to $5 million, providing you with an excellent retirement income and leaving a legacy for your family or charity. Helping you build a multi-million dollar business was the primary consideration for us when we created the e-learning marketing system. In fact, it was so important for us that the very first thing we developed was a program called How to Build a Multi-Million Dollar Business, Your Step-by-Step Roadmap. With this program, we can literally walk any small business owner step by step through a series of specific fundamentals that consistently produce multi-million dollar businesses. When we decided to send out this information weekly so our members would focus on these fundamentals separately from the everyday problems and concerns that often distract small business owners. We also knew if we archived this step-by-step process in the online program and granted full access to all of these steps at once, overwhelm would set in and no one would ever reach that $1 million level. To avoid that from happening, all of our e-learning members receive these critical fundamentals by email on a weekly basis. All you have to do is review what we send you every week. Apply the information to your business, and before your 1-year anniversary with us, you will be well on your way to building a multi-million dollar business. So that's the long-term plan we have for you. But we also recognize that many of you need immediate revenue and quick cash flow. To help you with that, we will also email you bi-monthly marketing strategies specifically designed to get cash coming in your door. So we have you well on your way to building the business of your dreams, and you haven't even logged in yet to our e-learning marketing system. In fact, you might be wondering why you even need the e-learning system since we email you all of this powerful business growth and marketing information separately. So here's the straight scoop. Remember, I said this program has nothing to do with any type of get rich quick scheme. Yes, we can help you build a multi-million dollar business, but it will take 12 months to complete that task. But as a small business owner, I seriously doubt you can stand by and tread water for that long without facing financial ruin. That's why we created the e-learning marketing system. We know you need the help right now to generate more leads, attract more clients, and make more money than ever before. So we positioned all the tools, resources, strategies, tactics and support in this online program so you can access it instantly and use it to skyrocket your current revenue and profit. But that arises another problem. This program literally contains more content than some universities offer in both their undergraduate and graduate programs. The e-learning marketing system has taken us more than 3 years to develop at a cost of more than $1 million. This site contains a multitude of unmatched and unequaled business growth and marketing information specifically designed to help you skyrocket your current revenue and profits, as well as build a multi-million dollar business. And it's all for your personal and exclusive use. But that's the problem. Where do you begin? How do you even know where to start? What to do or what will work for your business? Fortunately, these are the exact same questions we asked ourselves in the past every time we joined a program like this one. We found ourselves going into immediate overwhelm the moment we went to access the information. We didn't want the same thing to happen to you. In fact, we view most small businesses today as if they are sick. And when you are sick, you go to see a doctor so you can get well. So, think about that. When you go, the doctor doesn't start out throwing a bunch of pills at you. First, they carefully diagnose your illness and then they give you a prescription. So, why should a sick business be any different? We decided we needed to do the same thing for the businesses we help. To us, giving you a prescription without a diagnosis is a blatant malpractice. So the first thing we do in the e-learning marketing system is to ask you to complete a brief 5 to 7 minute marketing assessment on your business. This comprehensive assessment covers the 5 major areas where business owners need the most help to build a successful business. Those 5 areas are more leads, more conversions, more transactions, higher prices and more profits. Once you complete the assessment, our proprietary algorithms take your responses into account and generates a customized roadmap specifically designed to take your businesses from wherever it is right now to exactly where you want it to be. All you have to do is follow your step-by-step roadmap and you will build the business of your dreams. Now, because the information we have on this site is so extensive, it would take us approximately 12 hours to take you through it all. But remember, information without application is worthless. So, to keep this presentation short, let me go into several sections on the site and give you actual examples to show you how the content we have for you here will help you achieve immediate results when it comes to generating leads and making money. Let's start with the big one, lead generation. Let's say that you are a new real estate agent and you are desperate to find sellers who need to sell their home quickly and for top dollar. Unfortunately, you have no money for marketing and no prospective sellers in sight. Your broker does offer an online marketing system that works so well, it allows their agents to offer a guarantee that the homes they list will be sold within 29 days. Or else the sellers don't have to pay the real estate commission. So, what would you do if you were this brand new inexperienced agent with zero marketing dollars and no listings in sight? And yet you have a family to feed, so you need to get some listings and fast. Well, if this agent were an e-learning marketing system member, here's what they would do. After they logged into the system, they would instantly click on the more leads link on their dashboard. Next, they would click on the link labeled strategies we use to generate leads. The agent would look over all the available strategies listed in this section, and let's say they decide that networking may be the best fit for their current financial situation. After all, networking opportunities are everywhere and they typically cost little to nothing to attend. They click on the link labeled How to Network Your Business to Success. Here they would find a 7-video instructional series that walks them through this powerful networking strategy step by step. One of the major networking strategies our agent discovers through this video series is how to create a powerful and compelling elevator pitch. An elevator pitch is a 10 to 30 second mini commercial that highlights the single biggest benefit you offer that your competition doesn't. The top link contains a step-by-step template to create either a 10-second elevator pitch or a 30-second pitch, along with specific and easy to relate to examples. The top link contains a step-by-step template to create either a 10-second elevator pitch or a 30-second pitch, along with specific and easy to relate to examples. Within minutes, any small business owner can create a compelling message that will grab a prospect's attention and practically force them to buy what you sell. But let's consider a worst case scenario. Suppose this agent is running late and doesn't have time to use that template to create their own elevator pitch. The networking event starts in just a few minutes. So they desperately need something they can use right now to generate leads. That situation poses no problem for our e-learning members. This agent would simply click on the More Leads link on their dashboard. Then click on Resources we use to generate leads using our Done For You competition crushing marketing. Here we have 7 specific marketing libraries loaded with every conceivable piece of marketing collateral that any business owner will ever need. Here you will find an entire library of advertising and marketing pieces, elevator pitches, emails, sales letters, scripts, TV ads, as well as unique selling propositions. These libraries are chock full of ready to use material. So now our real estate agent simply clicks on the elevator pitch library, scrolls down and clicks on real estate, and there's the ready to use elevator pitch that will help this agent compel every prospective home seller they meet at this networking event to instantly list their home with them. For example, at a networking site, the first thing anyone ever says to someone they have just met is, "What do you do?" The typical real estate agent responds by saying, "I sell real estate." Not very compelling, is it? In fact, a really seasoned agent may respond by saying, "I help buyers and sellers complete successful transactions." Still, doesn't make you jump up and down, does it? What if our rookie agent said this? "I help frustrated homeowners who are struggling to sell their homes in these financially troubling times to sell their home in 29 days or less. And for top dollar, guaranteed." If you were preparing to sell your home and you heard a real estate agent say that brief 10-second pitch, would you be lining up to ask them, "How do you do that?" And when this agent is asked that, they could then respond with a 30-second elevator pitch version that was in their e-learning library. It would sound something like this. Do you know how homeowners today are discovering that their homes are worth half of their original price and that it often takes more than a year to sell their home? I use a revolutionary new property listing process that less than 5% of all real estate agents even know about. And that is so successful, I can guarantee any homeowner in writing that I will sell their home within 29 days of taking their listing, get them top dollar based on their current appraisal, and if I fail, I sell their home for free. Think the prospect that just heard that will want to know more. Think they might be interested in setting an immediate appointment with this rookie agent. Think this agent may just walk out of that networking event with several high quality leads. But check this out. What if this real estate agent found out about this networking event at the last minute and never had the opportunity to get to their computer and log into their online coaching system account so they could gain access to those elevator pitches. That could cost them a lot of business and potential revenue. Wouldn't you agree? So when we built our online coaching system, we took into account that most small business owners often need instant access to critical marketing information when they are on the run. So everything you have just watched this agent access from their computer, they can also access it from their mobile phone. With our revolutionary e-learning platform, all of our world-class content is easily accessible by any mobile device, and it's a service we provide our members. So how would you like to have your own compelling 10-second, 30-second or even a 60-second elevator pitch that instantly grabs your prospect's attention and all but forces them to engage with you? As you can see, we have custom designed elevator pitches for most businesses and we continue to add more every day. In fact, what if our real estate agent found themselves into a room full of real estate investors looking to buy instead of prospects looking to sell? This agent could quickly log into their e-learning member account using their mobile phone, access the real estate elevator pitch library, and instantly know what to say to investors looking to buy real estate that would grab their attention. When one of these investors asks our agent, "What do you do?" they might say something like this: "I help savvy real estate investors take full advantage of the current drop in real estate values by showing them how to acquire multi-million dollar homes for no money down and add millions to their net worth overnight." When this now interested investor then asks them, "How do you do that?" they would respond by saying, "Do you know how real estate investors feel? They may be missing out on the greatest time in recent history to acquire million-dollar properties for pennies on the dollar. I help these investors identify the hidden cache of available multi-million-dollar homes that are truly once-in-a-lifetime deals and show them how they can buy these homes with no money down and become an overnight millionaire." Again, do you think this type of message just might raise some interest? And have these investors clamoring for more? You bet. Our elevator pitch library contains multiple powerful and compelling messages that get real results. This is one of the best ways for any small business owner to generate a ton of leads in a short amount of time for absolutely $0 in cost. But we are not done with this example. Think what happens when a prospect at a networking site is interested in learning more about what you do and how can you help them. They immediately ask for your business card, right? Okay, now think about this. You have gone to a networking events in the past and you probably went back to your home or office with several business cards from people you met at that event. What did you do with those business cards? The vast majority of these cards wind up at the bottom of the circular file in your office that we call the trash can. So, what makes you think that simply handing your business card to a prospective real estate buyer or seller will be any different? The typical business card contains nothing more than your name and a phone number. It does nothing to continue to nurture the interest your elevator pitch created when you spoke with them. It fails to create any additional leads for your business or to compel a qualified prospect to want to follow up with you. Even though your elevator pitch was highly compelling and caught their attention, your business card does nothing to continue to build that interest. But what if we could change that forever? In our e-learning system, we created an entire resources and template center where we placed all the tools, samples and templates you will ever need to build your business the right way and do so with complete confidence and certainty. You can click on our resources and template center and scroll down to where it says business card templates. Click on that link and we'll show you how to design the front and the back of your business card to turn it into a lead generation and prospect nurturing machine. We will teach you how to design the front of your card so you establish your credibility and continue to build the rapport with that prospect. Toward the bottom of the card, we want you to place an intriguing message that says, "See backside for special offer." This should be in red lettering if possible to attract their attention, or some other format that highlights it. The back of your card should always provide the prospect with a compelling offer to either learn more about what you do or to receive a no risk way to try out your product or service. In this specific business card template, we used a link to a landing page where we have a free informative video for them to watch. You always want to use your business card to continue to move your prospects closer to the sale. But let's revisit our two real estate agents example. One of them was looking for sellers while the other was looking for buyers in the form of investors. What would they place on their business card as a compelling offer? The answer is simple. You always want to create an offer that coincides with the elevator pitch that was used. For the selling agent, their main theme focused on selling the prospect's home within 29 days, guaranteed. That sounds like a pretty bold claim. In fact, it's so bold that it immediately leads to skepticism with most prospects. They will instantly think to themselves, okay, what's the catch? Logic says that any reasonable home seller is going to question how any agent can pull that off. So, that's what the free offer must address. In this instance, I would place a link to a landing page on the back of my business card offering a free report titled 19 Things Every Home Seller Must Know to Sell Their Home Quickly and for Top Dollar. Every prospect I give my business card to will be compelled to download that report to find out what those 19 things are. And they will have to register to receive it by simply entering their name and email address. But by capturing their information, that allows me to start what we call a drip campaign. That's where I begin a series of communications that continue to highlight my expertise as an agent and the proprietary process I use that allows me to fully guarantee in writing that I can sell their home for top dollar within 29 days. Once they understand the process I used to do this, and they see that it's not some trick or scam to get them to list their home with me, I now become the logical choice for this prospect to work with them when they finally decide it's time to sell their home. But how would this agent know to use that title for their free report? Simple. As a member of your system, it's already done for them. They would just click on the link labeled Market Dominating Advertising and Marketing Ad Library and click on Real Estate. Then scroll down to the report section. This report is already written and waiting for this agent to offer to their prospects as a download on their website landing page. But that raises another problem. How would this agent know how to create a landing page? How would they know how to properly format it? Would they have to hire a graphic designer, a web designer, or a copywriter? With the e-learning system, they don't need anything but their mouse button. All they need to do is to click on the website landing page section and they can choose from the multitude of landing page designs they feel best reflects their business. They can hand their selection to the webmaster to recreate on their website. In fact, instead of a free report, perhaps this agent refers to a 2-page flyer to give to interested prospects. They can scroll to the flyer section and here's the template for them to follow so they can create their compelling flyer. If our real estate agent decided they wanted to go all out and build a competition crushing website, all they need to do is to click on the more leads link on their dashboard. Then click on the tactics we use to market your business and generate leads. Finally, click on how we design market dominating websites. Here we have a 5 video instructional series that will show them in minutes exactly how to design, build and develop a site that features their free report in such a compelling way that it's irresistible to their prospects. Now you know how you can turn your business card into a lead generation machine. When you combine this strategic approach with your compelling elevator pitch, together they form a competition crushing team. However, this agent may discover that offering their free report is so powerful at attracting new leads that they want to offer it to all prospective sellers throughout their entire community. Then why not make sure that offer shows up on page 1 of the search engines so prospective sellers can easily find it and request it. In order to make that happen, this agent can scroll down, click on the link labeled how to get your website indexed fast. Here they will learn the insider secrets for getting their report listed in the top 10 rankings on all major search engines. Can you see how simple we have made this and how we have gone to tremendous length to provide you with all the tools, resources, templates, strategies, tactics and support you will ever need to build a multi-million-dollar business. So that's the process the selling agent would use to generate a multitude of highly qualified leads in a very short period of time and get revenue flowing into their business. The real estate agent looking for buyers would repeat the exact same process. They might name their report the 7 hidden secrets to acquiring multi-million-dollar homes for no money down and adding millions to your net worth overnight. Think that title might compel real estate investors to want to know more. In addition to having complete and unrestricted access to this business dominating content, you can also access our market leading resource center where you will find tools, resources, templates and scripts you need to literally dominate your market. For example, you can go into our sales letter library and access a scripts template that walks you step by step to help you write a sales letter so powerful and compelling that your phone will be ringing within 5 minutes of the prospect opening their letter. In our various online libraries, we provide you with templates you can use to create competition crushing ads, including TV ads, brochures, business cards, as well as your website. These templates work so well that your website alone will actually start flooding your business with leads and begin to generate revenue for your business. You have access to this type of business growth information for every facet of your business, including internet marketing. With our easy to use system, you can quickly learn the exact steps to take to market your small business online. Learn how to build a revenue generating website and how you can get your website immediately indexed on all major search engines. You can even learn the market dominating secrets used by the pros to tap into the awesome power of social networking. And best of all, you only have to follow your customized roadmap. A roadmap that's been created specifically for you and your business. As you can see, we have spared no expense or effort to bring you the world's most powerful client attraction program available anywhere today. You have only seen a small fraction of what we have created and made available to you. Unfortunately, to show you everything would take several hours, but I think we have made a point. But I hope you don't think we are done. Actually, the best is yet to come. Within our e-learning system, you also receive access to our world-class turnkey marketing campaigns that, when developed separately, would cost a small business owner between $25,000 up to $50,000 each. The biggest expense all small business owners incur is their marketing and advertising campaigns. Think about everything that's required for you to market your business. You have to hire a copywriter to create your marketing collateral for you that can run thousands of dollars in order to get a really good copywriter, if you can find a good one at all. Then you have to shell out another couple of thousand to hire a good graphic designer. And good luck finding one that truly understands how to properly design marketing that will actually generate sufficient number of leads. And of course, you need to have a professional looking website. So that's another couple of thousands to get a really good one. So after spending anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 getting all of this done, you are left with a full page ad, a couple of postcards, perhaps a brochure, and a non-revenue producing website. That doesn't sound like a formula for success to me. Take a look at what we have waiting for you in our ad library alone. Here's our marketing section for home improvement contractors. Here we have a full page ads, half page ads, quarter page ads, lead generation postcards, drip campaign postcards, door hangers, brochures, business cards, a professionally written and designed consumer guide that pre-positions your product or service and educated your prospect so you won't have to. An idea guide to spur your prospect's imagination and help you close more sales. A code of ethics guide that separates you from your competition. Flyers, signage, newsletters, a revenue generating website, trade show booth, radio ads, reports, vehicle signage, billboard signage, yard signs, sales letters and scripts, yellow page ads, as well as Valpak ads. Just this one complete marketing campaign for contractors contains more than $50,000 in marketing collateral. And we have a multitude of these available for you to use, already done for you, ready to implement. Here are just a few more to give you an idea of the breadth and scope of professional marketing that's instantly available to you through my program. We have a complete $35,000 marketing campaign for bathroom remodelers. Here's the $50,000 marketing campaign for dentist. This is a $25,000 marketing campaign for childcare. Here's a $30,000 marketing campaign for window contractors. This $50,000 marketing campaign was designed for home remodelers. This one is a $20,000 marketing campaign for closet organizers. How about this $40,000 marketing campaign for roofing contractors? This is a $25,000 campaign for carpet cleaners. Here's another $45,000 marketing campaign for IT companies. This is a $50,000 campaign for accountants and financial planners. And here's a $75,000 marketing campaign for chiropractors. We have many others besides this. All of these marketing campaigns have been field tested and are proven to generate leads. Now imagine your business having access to your very own customized and professionally designed developed marketing campaign. What would that mean to your business revenue wise? Better yet, what would that mean to your business competition wise? Do any of your competitors have access to anything like this? Can you see how this will give you a tremendous competitive advantage in your market and position you as the dominant player in your industry? These professionally developed turnkey marketing campaigns can help any business owner to instantly generate more leads and make more money for their business. For example, let's say you are a dentist and you want you to implement a complete marketing campaign for your dental practice. You want to use a direct mail strategy to reach prospects within a 5-mile radius of your office. You learn from our lead generation strategy videos that oversized 6x11 postcards will be the most cost-effective approach to executing your direct mail campaign. You also decide that you want this campaign to appeal to families with kids, and if you know kids, and most adults for that matter, the biggest hot button issue they have when visiting the dentist is pain. As a dentist, you want to target the hot button issues and emphasize the fact that visiting your office is a pain-free experience. That's a lot of marketing you need. And when you add up the cost of hiring a copywriter plus a graphic designer to build all of this for you, you will invest tens of thousands of dollars. Plus, none of these ads they create will be proven and tested. You will spend all this money not knowing if you have anything that actually works. But as a member of our e-learning system, you just click on the dental link in our ad library. And here are the sedation postcards you wanted. Here's the postcard campaign that addresses the cosmetic procedures you perform. Here are your postcards that appeal to prospects that have no dental insurance, as well as the postcards that compel past prospects to restart their treatments. Here are the postcards that remind your patients of their upcoming appointments, as well as the postcards that encourage them to provide referrals to your practice. Pretty powerful, wouldn't you agree? Now, suppose you could gain VIP access to your very own turnkey marketing program specifically designed for your business, along with all the other tools, resources, and support you have seen in this presentation for a measly $97 per month. That's why I said earlier that my main goal for creating my e-learning marketing system was to provide complete online access to everything a small business owner would ever need to outthink, outmarket, and outsell their competition, and to keep it so inexpensive that any small business owner could easily afford it. Let us help you build $1 million business and then give you the ability to sell your businesses whenever you choose for several million more. Let us provide you with the ways and means to generate all the leads your business can handle and help you to instantly begin adding more revenue to your bottom line. In fact, why don't we do that right now? I know these systems and processes work. We have used them for years with thousands of businesses around the world, and they work every single time as long as you apply the information we will reveal to you in the videos. If you decide to partner with me and become one of my valued members, I want you to have no doubt in your mind whatsoever that I can do everything I claim and more. I promise you won't be disappointed. Good luck.